And we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog and welcome back to another beautiful day here in Utah. Now, if you guys saw the end of my last video, we shouldn't be here. We should be in Memphis, Tennessee, getting ready to drive across the country. Stefan's new car had a very minute hiccup that consequently meant we had to ship the cars across the country. They should both be here in Utah maybe Saturday or Sunday. We have so much exciting news on the channel today. You guys saw the title and the thumbnail. We have officially started construction on the new dream house. This project is already 2 years in the making, and effectively, like, nothing has happened. But I mean, we designed the house, which obviously was amazing. We bought the land, which was amazing. But yesterday, they actually started digging the foundation. So we're gonna head over there. We're gonna walk the premise, walk the property. I'm so excited to share this journey with you guys, and it's gonna be a long journey. The house is gonna take probably at least a year, if not longer, but you can't finish the race until you start the race, and we just started, boys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, hop up in the truck. No, wrong direction over here. This is my cute, adorable puppy, Oscar. He's a marshmallow. Quick pit stop here at JP Morgan Chase. We got some big updates on the new V12 Lambo. We have so much good news on the channel today. We finally have an ETA on the new gated V12 Lamborghini coming in from Canada. So the car is scheduled to ship on Friday. It should import into the US maybe on Monday or Tuesday of next week. Now, when that happens, I have to pay an import tax of 2.85% on the entire car's value. So we're gonna wire that money right now so there's no delays along the way. It should be here in maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks, or we really have no idea. It might be here in July. You're the cutest puppy. Give me a paw, give me a paw. Come on, good boy. Okay, you gotta entertain the viewers, okay? I'm gonna leave them with you. Oscar, good boy, scoot, scoot. Yeah, scoot, scoot. I'm trying to figure out the import tax that I just paid. Does that go to the US or to Canada? It's an import tax. The car's being imported in the US. It must go to the United States. So to the federal government, you're welcome. That $10,000, I hope you use it wisely. Now, if you're wondering why I didn't just buy a car in the United States so I didn't have to pay the import tax, this car that I'm buying is so rare, there wasn't one for sale in the US. You see what I did there? I don't want to start the shrubbery vlog, but these trees right now are gorgeous. What? I truly can't convey to you guys how exciting this is. Like, this project is over 2 years in the making. I've been staring at this land for so long, and finally, they're scooping dirt. This is just like so sick. These mounds of dirt, this is my soil. This is my fresh soil. Oh my goodness gracious. Of course, I've studied the drawings for so long, and it's one thing to see it on paper, but to finally get the actual real-life perspective. The whole looks amazing. This house is gonna be massive. Obviously, I had to build a big house for a big garage. I really only want the big garage, but someday for resale, I have to have a big house. This corner right here is the front of the dining room. The kitchen's gonna be over here, the office over there, the front entrance, the car on the wall up there, and yes, I'm still trying to figure out the car on the wall situation. I just gotta get a car to hang on the wall. Now, this stake right here, this is the front corner of the back cave, so they're gonna start digging this afternoon. We're gonna come back and film that process. Although we've just begun, this is so exciting. Like, progress is finally being made. I realize a lot of you guys are probably unfamiliar with the design of my house, so I partnered up with this company called Hugo Renders. They made this awesome animation of my house when it's finished. It's 55 seconds long. We're gonna play that, but I'm also gonna link Hugo Renders in the description below. Guys, if you're building a cool house and you want a cool animation done, check them out, link below. I'll see you guys in 55.
Spread on the beat.
I can't get over Burlacker's 1-2 punch. He has a straight pipe smart car and a Raptor that's wrapped in purple plaid. I move out and it is Mustang galore here at the Burlacker residence. He's looking for a hat. Bro, the hat's right here. Oh, that was a bird.
That's not bad.
Are you kidding me?
Cheers.
Look at this guy. He's like the
Thanks,
American
Tim.
Shmee, the cowboy Shmee. Wow. I haven't quite moved everything out of Nick's house, and I still have yet to change my address. Look what arrived from FI Exhaust for the Aventador. We're not going to be installing this exhaust today. It's actually a full titanium exhaust from FI Exhaust. It's their first titanium exhaust for the Lamborghini Aventador. I'm so excited to listen to it. Whew. Our next update on the Aventador Roadster should be tomorrow. The car is painted, like it is done painted. Now the assembly process begins. We're not gonna be installing this FI exhaust for probably maybe 2 or 3 weeks, but we can at least unbox it. This exhaust is not a pre-production prototype, but it's the first titanium exhaust for the Lamborghini Aventador from FI Exhaust in the world. It's serial number 001. And, oh, that was good, Oscar. You'd think I'd know how to open up an FI exhaust. You guys know the FI exhaust for my Lamborghini Aventador is my favorite mod I've ever done to a car in my entire life. That's titanium. Yeah, that's real titanium. Ooh, baby. Look at those exhaust tips. Those are so incredibly gorgeous, and it's titanium. It is so light. These exhaust tips are so gorgeous with the Strad logo and the FI logo, full titanium. They are so light, and check them out under the sun. Oh my goodness, these exhaust tips are gonna look amazing with the pink. My Aventador currently has the iconic like boom clap sound that the Aventador is known for. With the titanium exhaust though, it's gonna have a much higher pitched F1 style whine. And look at this. All the heat coating is like rose gold. Look at that. Full Valvetronic FI exhaust for the Lamborghini Aventador. Evolution of titanium technology, car owner James the Stradman, model Lamborghini Aventador F1 version, serial number 001, production date April 16th, 2021. The details is what makes these exhausts so sick. I just realized the box for the FI exhaust makes for the perfect coffee table, and the FI exhaust makes for the perfect coffee table ornament. Oscar, buddy, come on. Oh my gosh. Obviously, we're gonna install that exhaust really, really soon, but the car has to be painted. Oscar, really? How are you so strong for a marshmallow? Look at this guy. Get it? He's like a flying fool. Oh my gosh, Oscar, that was amazing. That was amazing. Get it, dude. Get it. Get it, son. See you later. I can't entirely remember what I was saying, but we're gonna be installing this FI exhaust very, very, very soon once the car is done being painted. Good boy. The other day I realized we have a little bit of an issue. March of 2021, my tags are expired. We gotta go do Utah State emissions. You guys might remember we had a little bit of a fiasco last year. We failed, then I had to spend like $1,000 replacing some sensor, and then we passed. Now, do I think we're going to pass emissions? I'd say it's 90-10, 90% chance we fail. I don't really have like a specific reason I think we're gonna fail, other than we failed last year, but if you set yourself up for failure, you can only do better. Infinity and beyond! Baby! And we're here at Grease Monkey. There's kind of sort of 2 ways this could go down. Either A, we pass, or B, we don't, we fail. We're not gonna fail. It's not gonna happen. We're good. I mean, the best part about selling cars, you don't have to pass emissions. And I thought there was a 10% chance. I thought there was a 10% chance we passed, baby. We did it. We got it done. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let her wind and hit it. I really need to unwrap the front of the GTR. I should do it today, but I don't want to do it today, but I'm going to. This might work. Honestly, it's probably not going to work. We'll see how motivated I am, but it's worth a try. It's not perfect, but it looks so much better. Check that out. We're starting the wide body kit on the Nissan GTR probably next week, maybe the following week. And yes, of course, I still realize there's a bunch of vinyl left on the Nissan GTR. When we do the wide body kit, we have to remove all the fenders, so there's no reason to remove them now, reinstall them, and then remove them again. I know a lot of you guys are very familiar with the house design, so this exercise is a little bit redundant, but later this evening, we're gonna go back out to the property. They've dug the entire house now. Slight change of plans. They were gonna dig the garage portion today. They're gonna do that tomorrow, just ran out of daylight. But I think seeing this design on the computer, when we walk out there, it'll be really easy to put 2 and 2 together. So moving to the computer, on the right-hand side, you have the massive garage. On the left-hand side, you have the main house connected by the sky bridge with the driveway that flows underneath. Now they've dug the house portion so far, the red brick here on the left-hand side, And then if we scoot around to the back, you get an idea of the courtyard. We're gonna have the two-car garages, a part of the main house, and then of course on the left-hand side, we have the massive garage. Now currently, on this walkthrough, there's no bat cave. That was kind of a slight change of plans. So the bat cave is gonna be an exact footprint directly underneath the main garage. That's what they're digging tomorrow. We've now transitioned to the walkthrough tool. If you guys get a little bit disoriented, I do apologize. It's a little bit hard to navigate, but it's super cool because we can actually go inside. Check that out. So inside the main garage, like I mentioned, the bat cave is gonna sit directly underneath this main garage. The car elevator is gonna sit right here, and that's what's gonna drop cars down into the bat cave. Now, if we go back to the front of the house, we should be able to go inside the front door. So the car on the wall, I'm thinking, is gonna go like right up there. I haven't figured out what car we're gonna put on the wall. I need to find either a salvage title car or something of little to no value, because I was gonna put the Ferrari 430 race car up there, but obviously I sold that car for like $85,000, and that would be an expensive art piece. I realized we were here earlier this morning, but it's just so exciting. Like, I am so excited for this project to finally start. And now that you guys have seen the renders, you guys have seen the animation, it should be pretty easy to piece everything together. This is obviously the main house right here. The front door is basically like, this is the front door. Of course, this goes without saying, I'm definitely not an engineer, so I have really no idea what I'm looking at whatsoever. We have this massive hole right here that looks like a hot tub. Unfortunately, there's no hot tub in the plan, so I think it's a footing for the deck. Maybe? Maybe. Yes, unfortunately, this also is not a hot tub. Also, we are walking the line of death right here. I have to be so careful because that's probably like a 13 or 14 foot drop. This is a section that they ended up digging today. It looks like a moat, but if I remember the plans correctly, we don't have a moat. There's like a giant island, and then we have another giant island right there. So the two-car garages, I have two-car garages. One's gonna sit here and the other's gonna sit there. So honestly, I have not a clue. I have no idea. In my youth, I could easily make that jump, but we're definitely not gonna try today. So right here, you can see the pink line right there and right there. This is where the secret tunnel that's not so secret is gonna connect the main house here to the bat cave. I really don't have anything else to say except we finally have started construction. Day one, vlog number one. It's probably gonna take 12, 13, 14 months. We're gonna be out here all the time from start to finish, filming the entire process. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.